థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ మైక్ ఏది? థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి. ఫస్ట్ భానుప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి గారిని ఒక ముక్క, యా, ప్రొడ్యూసర్ భాను గారు మాట్లాడతారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీవన్. బాపు బాపు అంటే ఫస్ట్ నేను మా బాపు గురించి కూడా ఒకసారి చెప్పాలి. ఆయన ఒక పారిశ్రామికవేత్త. సో ఐ బిలాంగ్ టు ఏ ఫ్యామిలీ ఆఫ్ ఫార్మా మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. సో నా గురించి పెద్ద తెలియకపోవచ్చు. సో బట్ ఎనీవే ఐ గాట్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ ఫీల్డ్ ఆఫ్ movies about 3 years ago, along with my good friend and my other producer, Mr. Raju Garu. అయితే మా నాన్న ఎప్పుడు చెప్తూ ఉండేవాడు, బిజినెస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అబౌట్ మనీ, బిజినెస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ వాల్యూస్, బిజినెస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ఎథిక్స్, బిజినెస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ doing something that is difficult for everyone else to do, and that's why it becomes a business. So as a producer, when this is actually my second film after Kismat. So మేమిద్దరం ఇది సెకండ్ ఫిలిం co-produce చేశాము. సో when this script came to me, దయా నా దగ్గరికి స్క్రిప్ట్ తీసుకొచ్చినప్పుడు it took us almost a couple of months to actually sign off and put our money behind it. To be very honest with you, we were very, very finicky about doing something like this. So on paper, on the screen, it might look like a small film, but actually for us, it's so close to our heart that it has actually become a very big film. And not only that, all the chief guests that are here, ఇంతమంది సినీ ఇండస్ట్రీకి చెందిన అతిరేత మహాశైలతో నేను ఈ వేదిక పంచుకుంటా అని అసలు ఎప్పుడు అనుకోలేదు నేను. I just thought I was going to just produce a film, you know, and today I am standing next to you. It's a honor. It is, I just cannot express in words how grateful I am for all of you, each and every one of you. Nagashwin garu, when I saw Mahanati, this was, I think, I don't know, maybe 5-7 years ago, I was in Australia. So I saw that film and I was mesmerized. I watched it for so long. A song, I can't remember the lyrics now. I used to go to work and I used to play that song so often that I learned every single word of it, and I used to sing so loudly in the car. I was so delighted to listen to that song. In fact, I had my own mobile phone singing with that song. So thank you so much, sir. I just can't believe that you are here. And every one of you. Brahmaji Garu, you have become such a friend, I have to tell you, you know. I used to sit with you in Raju Garu's house and, you know, we used to chat about the movie and everything. So thank you again and again for each and every one of you, you know. And I have one small request, a personal request. My wife is also here. All the chief guests that are here, I really want to take one personal photo with me and my wife standing right in the middle here. So it's going to be framed up in my house, okay? Please. So I really want you to do that for me. Thank you so much. And also, of course, each and every one of you all, without you know, without taking too much time. So that's my wife. That's my beautiful wife. So thank you so much. And each and every one of you who worked hard for this film, they put their heart and soul out. I just put my money, but they put their heart and soul. And that's how a movie becomes a movie. So thank you so much for everyone. I cannot express in words.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. యా, ఒక పిక్చర్ అన్నారు కాబట్టి విల్ టేక్ ఎ పిక్చర్. రెడీ అండి? యా, నెక్స్ట్.
ఈ మధ్య ఎవరు ఫోటో అడిగినా ఖచ్చితంగా ఇవ్వాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే